Today we will be doing example 5th by factorization method. Earlier I have made 2 videos on this chapter 4th of class 10th quadratic equation. First of all you see that and then come for this question to see this video. These are very important questions and students generally feel it difficult to solve by factorization. If you use quadratic formula, these questions are very easy to solve. But if you use factorization method, means splitting the middle term, these questions are little bit difficult. So method I am going to tell you. First part we will take, first of all, this is 3x square minus 2 root 6x plus 2 is equals to 0. As we know, for factorization method we need to multiply these two last numbers. Multiplication of these two last number is 6. Now we need to make factors of these 6. It's 1 into 6 and 2 into 3. Now if we see it carefully, in the middle we need 2 root 6. How can we get 2 root 6? Because the meaning of splitting the middle term is we have to find two numbers whose sum is minus 2 root 6 and whose product is 6, whose product is multiplication of these two last numbers and whose addition subtraction is the middle one, minus 2 root 6. Now we need to find the value of a and b. So if I factorize this 6, I can factorize it like this: root 6 multiply root 6. This 6 can be written as root 6 into root 6. So I can consider a as root 6 and b as root 6. Now we can check. If I multiply a multiply b, I will get 6. And if we, because it is minus, if we write here minus root 6 minus root 6, and if I add minus root 6 and minus root 6, I will get minus 2 root 6. It means this is the combination of a and b that we need. So we can write this as 3x square minus root 6x minus root 6x plus 2 is equals to 0, because here already x, so we need to write x and x with them. Or you can write this as that a plus b we need this and a into b we need this, x square. So root 6x, root 6x, here also we can write root 6x, root 6x. So minus root 6x and minus root 6x will give us minus 2 root 6x. And if we multiply minus minus plus and root 6 multiply root 6, we will get 6. Now taking common out of these two, just by looking at it we are not able to find anything common. But if we factorize 3, factors of 3 is root 3 and root 3. So in place of this 3 there are 2 root 3 and root 6 also. Factors of root 3 is root 6 is root 2 and root 3. So 1 root 3 from here and 1 root 3 from here we can take common in these two, or I can write for your help one more step. No need to write this step in exam. This is just to explain you. This 3 can be written as like this. Root 6 can be written as like this. This also can be written as root 2 into root 3x. And this 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. Just to explain you. Otherwise this step, no need to write it. Okay, I am putting it star, means no need to write it in exam. Just to explain you. So out of these two terms, what is common? Root 3 is common, x is common. So what is left inside? Root 3x minus, this is out, this is out. What is left? Root 2. And here root 2 and root 2 is common, so I can take root 2 common. I am not putting any sign here because I will tell you later on. I need this bracket same as this bracket, so this is root 3x root 3x, and then minus root 2 is equals to 0 as it is. Now see, here sign is plus and here I have written minus. Here sign is minus and I have written plus. So it means I have to take minus common. First bracket includes these two, root 3x minus root 2, and second bracket is out of these two bracket we will write second bracket. This is equals to 0. Rest you know. How can we solve it? Root 3x minus root 2 is equals to 0, and root 3x minus root 2 is equals to 0. This is example 5 of your NCERT book. Very important and difficult question it is. First root is root 2 by root 3. If you will do it with quadratic formula, then it is very easy. Either you rationalize it or not. In NCERT book, this is the final answer, but better to leave it after rationalizing it. So answer after rationalizing it is root 2 by root 3 multiply root 3 by root 3, which is equals to root 6 by 3, and similarly here second answer is also root 6 by 3. So this is our final answer. One more part I need to explain to you. This is 2x square minus 2 root 2x plus 1. Again factor of this is 2 into 1 is, this is rough work, 2 into 1 is 2, and factors of 2, because I need root 2 here na? So we need to write its factors as root 2 and root 2. Root 2 and root 2. Now we have to find two numbers whose sum is minus 2 root 2 and whose product is 2. So obviously we can see that our A is minus root 2 and B is minus root 2. You can check. Minus root 2 if we add, we will get minus 2 root 2. If we multiply, minus minus plus, root 2 multiply root 2 is 2. So we can write this as 2x square minus root 2x means 1 root 2x minus 1 root 2x plus 1. Out of these two, what is common? Out of these two, what is common? Root 2 is common, because 2 means root 2 multiply root 2. So if 1 root 2 is out, what is left? Root 2 is left. Sorry, 1x also is common. Out of these 2x, 1x is out, so 1x will be left. Then minus this root 2 is out, what is left? This x is out, only 1 is left. Then minus sorry. Now out of these two, what will take common? Again write this bracket as same, root 2x minus 1, because we need same bracket. Now see the sign. Here root 2 is in minus, I have written plus. Here 1 is plus, I have written minus. So I have to take minus common. Nothing is common, it means I have to write here 1. So one bracket includes these two, which is root 2x minus 1 in one bracket, and out of these two same bracket we will write one bracket. So answer of x is 1 by root 2 and 1 by root 2, and after rationalization it will be root 2 upon 2, and this will be root 2 upon 2. After, always leave your answer after rationalization. Now one more part. Again, if you do with quadratic formula, very easy, but if you do with factorization, some difficulty you will face. So I am doing with factorization. The number is 12. Now we need to factorize 12. The factors of 12 is 1 and 12, 2 6 are 12, 4 3 are 12. So we can write like this: 1 12, 2 6, 3 4. Because it is root 3, so we have this combination is the best combination for us. We can write this as 4 multiply 3 can be written as 4 multiply root 3 multiply root 3. This 3 can be written as root 3 multiply root 3. Now we need to find two numbers whose sum is 4 root 3 and whose product is 12. So how can we find? If we factorize this 4 further, means we can write 2 multiply 2. So A here is this, so you have to find out on your own and think a bit for these questions. Plus should be 4 root 3. So can I choose this A as 2 root 3 and B as 2 root 3? The question every term is in plus. So we can write A as 2 root 3 and B as 2 root 3. Now check, the sum of these two is 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3 is 4 root 3, and if you multiply 2 root 3 and 2 root 3, you can check that you will get 4 3s are 12, 2 2s are 4, root 3 is 3. So we can write this as A and B we have got. We can write this as 4x square plus 4 2 root 3x plus 2 root 3x plus 3 is equals to 0. This method is splitting the middle term, and the meaning is split the middle term in the way so that the sum of these two is middle one and product of these two is the product of last two. Now we need to take common. So out of these two, what is common? Here is 2 and here is 4. Here is 2 and here is 4. So we can take 2 common. X square and x, so x common. What is left? 2x plus this 2 is out, so root 3 is left, plus 2 root 3, and in 3 there are root 3 means 3 can be written as root 3 multiply root 3. So root 3 into root 3 and root 3. So what is common? Root 3 is common. So this is 2x plus root 3. You can again check after multiplying. 2 root 3x and root 3 into root 3 is 3. So one bracket is 2x plus root 3, this one, and other is also 2x plus root 3, and now you know how to solve it. Minus root 3 by 2, and other is also minus root 3 by 2. I am giving you some questions in homework. If you find anything difficult, then you can ask in the comment box. Very important questions. So note down these questions. First one is root 3x square plus 10x plus 7 root 3 is equals to 0. If you multiply the last, you will get 21, and 21 can be factorized as 7x plus 3x, and after that you can take common. Here also 2 6 are 12. If you will make factors of 12, you can convert 3 into root 3 into root 3, and you can easily do this also. Similarly this one and this one. Any doubt you can ask in the comment box. Thank you.